Hello all and welcome to this video. Today I'll be attempting to pick the master padlock that I've got. It's the ML140 DLF. Not particularly difficult. Even master only gives it a 5 out of 10 rating, which means it is about as good as no lock. For my Sparrows kit I will be using this standard tension tool and a standard hook. Alright, now let's dive right in and see if I can do this. This is only the second lock I've ever picked. The first one I've ever single pin picked, and I've done it about close to a dozen times so far, so it's not the first time. But yeah, let's see how well it goes on camera. Nothing on the first, nothing on the second. Third one is definitely stiff, getting under it. Click on third. Fourth one is also stiff, getting under it. I think that was a click, although I'm not sure. Now let's go back to the front. Nothing on one. Two's a little stiff. Nothing on three. Oh, and we're back at four. That was a big click. Back to the front. Nothing on one. Nothing on two. Nothing on three. And nothing on four. Ergo our lock is open. Yeah, right. Okay, let's reset that. Nothing on one. That was a click on three. Click on four. That's better. What's going on here? And a click out of two. There we go. So, as you can see there, I have varying success. I've had it open in as little as 15 seconds. And I've managed to not succeed for minutes on end later. So I probably am still experiencing a little bit of beginner's luck. But anyway, there it is.